everyone, my name's Allie, and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. If you're interested in unique recipe ideas, gardening, and finding joy in the ordinary like me, then be sure to subscribe to my channel as I upload new videos every week. Today I am sharing the 5th video in my small space garden series, which is planting bell peppers in containers. If you missed the first few videos, be sure to check those out on my channel as well. I showed you guys how to plant lettuce, arugula, green beans, and cucumbers. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. I wasn't able to find pepper seeds this year, so I did purchase this pepper seedling from my local garden center, and I'm going to show you guys in this video how I transplant this, along with a few tips on how to grow pepper plants successfully in containers. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've mentioned this in my other videos, but the most important thing when growing in containers is choosing the right size container. Every plant is going to need a different size container depending on how big it will grow. This is two different options here, and I'm going to use the smaller one because I'm only planting one pepper in there. And you will need a very good high quality potting mix. I'm using a vegetable and herb mix by ProMix today. And let's go ahead and get started on filling the container with our soil. You want to make sure to moisten the soil from the bottom so that it's moist all the way through, and once it gets to the top, give it one last bit of water like this. I'm just going to take you guys outside to the rest of the transplanting. So here I am just digging a hole in the middle of my container. You can actually place the plant right in. It's in a Jiffy pot as well when I bought it from the store. As you guys can see, my hole wasn't quite deep enough there, so I'm going to dig a little deeper. Okay, and then go ahead and just press the plant right into the soil. Cover it around. You want to make sure that the Jiffy pot is hidden in the soil now. And that's it. We want to give it one last bit of water to set the plant into its new home. And go ahead and place it outside on a sunny area. So peppers love full sun, at least 6 hours or more a day, and you want to make sure you never let the soil dry out completely. Keep it moist and have a regular watering schedule. You also don't want to water too much, as this will cause fungal infection in the roots, so just keep an eye for that. Bell peppers like warmer temperatures, above 15 degrees Celsius, and they can tolerate up to 35 degrees Celsius, so they like it pretty hot. You can mulch around your pepper plant to keep the soil cool during these extremely hot temperatures, and this also slows down the evaporation of water in the container. As always, don't forget to fertilize your green pepper plants throughout the growing process. Every 2 weeks or so, pepper plants are pretty heavy feeders, and these will be ready for you to enjoy in about 60 to 90 days after transplanting. You'll have tons of peppers growing throughout the summer. Make sure to pluck them as they become ready, and you can let them ripen on the vine and they will change from green to red. And I actually have a yellow pepper plant here. I hope if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more gardening videos like this, you will give me a like, a comment, or subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay tuned for the next video coming in my small space garden series. I can't wait to show you guys. Thanks for watching.